everybody, and welcome to the Best of Jart, your favorite game show with your favorite host, Jamie Greenberg, celebrity makeup artist and Dr. Jart fan. There's so many good products in the line, but today we're talking about the best of the best. Shall we get started? I think so. All right, first up, we've got Dermaclear Microwater. Now, I don't normally take off my makeup in fear of traumatizing the children, but for Dr. Jart, I'm gonna do it. Take a little, put it on a little cotton pad, squeezy, squeezy, baby. Oh, feels so nice. Just taking off all of my face. It leaves your skin not feeling stripped and tight, but moisturized still. So if you have sensitive skin, this might be one of your new jams. Also, you don't need water. This is all you need. I mean, look at this, people. This is crazy. You could bring this on the plane, the train, the automobile. Bring it camping. Dermaclear cleansing water, you are one of the best. Next up in the best of Jart is the Ceramidin Cream. Ceramidin Cream. Ceramidin Cream. Ceramidin Cream. You say potato, I say potato. Do we want our moisturizer feeling thick and gooey everywhere we go? So Ceramidin Cream is heavy duty, but feels super light. I'm obsessed with this. All you need is about a nickel size amount for your whole face. It's gonna help strengthen your skin in a very subtle way. It's gonna moisturize, and it's also gonna protect from moisture loss in your skin. So it's putting a shield on there too, honey. If you feel dry and you feel dehydrated most of the time with I do, then you want to go for the Ceramidin Cream. Congratulations, Ceramidin Cream. You're one of the best. Next up in the best of Jart, the Re.Pair Tiger Grass Re.Pair Serum. I love something that works effectively and quick. And honey, one drop of this, it's going to take away the redness and the irritation. Do we want to walk around irritated? That's what I thought. Tiger grass is a plant that's known for recovery. So this is great for rosacea, acne, sensitive skin, a little drop underneath your toner, and you're going to see such a difference. Bravo. Bravo, Tiger Grass Serum. Bravo. Do you guys know about microneedling? Small needles that prick the skin, that create new collagen, firmer skin, get rid of scars and acne scars, and it's really like magic. Now you don't need the microneedling, people, because Dr. Jart has created this, but in a patch! It's the Focusspot Line and Wrinkle MicroTip Patch with vitamin E. I mean, these are unreal. They work for wrinkles and dark spots. And they have these, they have the blemish ones. It's pretty amazing. So let me show you guys how this works. The patches have little cone micro tips. So they literally penetrate deeper into the skin. So they work better than the things that just lay on top of the skin. Technology, yes! So they say use it for 2 hours and you could put it over anything you want. Like you could just put it right here. I have a couple dark spots and a wrinkle. You are a winner. All right, everybody, hold it together. Let's all take a breath. Collectively. Okay. And the finale. It's the Re.Pair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. And you get a 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 treatment. So this is the multitasker of all multitaskers. We're going to take the green and color correct any redness you have, but it's also going to protect your skin from all that dirty stuff in the environment. And there's an SPF. What is going on? And it's got some of that tiger grass in there, like from before. Can I get a what for skin repair? Look at this. Oh, so it's blurring everything out. It even almost looks like I put like a tinted moisturizer on or something. You're a winner, baby. I love this one. This one was saving the best for last. That about sums it up. These are my favorite, the best of Dr. Jart. And this is a very highly competitive game show, so I want to know a lot of thought went into this because all of Dr. Jart's products are awesome, but these are my top 5 best of the best. You can find all the products in the description below, and let me know which ones become your favorite. Thanks again, and from here in the shed in Encino, Thank you for joining us for another episode of Best of the Best!